welcome back to my channel. And so I'm talking softly because I can't talk loudly because of this reason only. Cough and headache, cold, I have everything, guys. Everything. And today was my first day of school, so I went to school. And so ma'am asked me that, do you want to go home? So I said no ma'am, I want to be here only. So tomorrow is Friday. If my mother said tomorrow morning while you get up, I'll see if you have cough, fever, or cold, then means you cannot go to school tomorrow. So like, hope it goes, guys. And my school is still 2:15, and so today's vlog came late. That was Who Knows Me Better challenge. So that was the challenge. So like, now my mother gave me onions with the chili powder and salt powder. So I'll eat this piece. Spicy. So yes guys, so there is my mother. So like, she came to see, and even it's very spicy.
Eat lightly, bite and it will go.
From yesterday night I got cough and even cold. First that throat pain was there, then cold, then cough. Very spicy.
Because you're taking cold water bath, no? Shower
That's
bath.
also the reason.
Shower bath. Full time cold shower bath.
So every time you should listen your mother, guys, because they say and we don't listen, and then the water and all, the bad will happen to us. Today I realized. So yeah guys. Guys, can you see tears are coming by the audience? Can hear my tears. Guys, seriously guys, otherwise I would not get the situation. Please, I could listen my mother. But I should drink water, guys. And I don't know. So guys, so this much onion is there. And here you can see how is the thing. So now I'm eating this piece. This, then this, then this, then this. So guys, so now I'm not perfectly fine, but we have got, look here. Yes guys, I'll show you. But if my father sees this video, he's just going to bash me out, because lash me out, because he said don't try, you should everything that my mother wanted to see. So I just tried. So I'll show you how it is. Guys, look here guys. This is the new one, and now it's time to remove. By the way, it looks like an electric shock, mini electric shock. So yes guys, so I'll end this vlog, and my mother bought Vicks, everything. So yes guys, so please like, share and subscribe to Ankit Vlogs and Entertainment. So I'll meet you in the next video. Sunday 11, Tata, bye, and love you all. Bye.